Hey everybody, I made her smile. Look at that.
Yeah.
We've got a little bit of an unboxing. Nothing really new coming in, just getting some more stock in. But we haven't done an unboxing in a while.
Here we go. Choo-choo-choo-choo. And a little bit of a disclaimer, we're getting a new roof today, so if you hear thumping, stomping, roofers are on above our heads putting a new roof in.
Look at her.
Yay!
Cut towards herself. These newbies.
I'm not a newbie.
Newbie cutter. Alright, let's see what we got. All wrapped up. They wrap this stuff so tight to get into the smallest box. Okay, we've got Angelite. We've got some more Angelite in. This is our hottest selling stone, is Angelite. And this is Jade over here. So we've got Angelite. There you go. Angelite. And we've got Jade, two different sizes.
6 and 4.
Oh, this is some nice. Oh, look at that.
This is pretty.
Yeah. Yeah. That's not 4, no, but it's 8 and 6.
8 and 6.
6, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Jadeite Jade. Jade is broken down into nephrite and jadeite. Jadeite being the nicer jade.
Then we have.
Are you hungry? Because we have
Appetite.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Yeah, it is some nice appetite.
I forget what this is called.
This is gold mica, also known as biotite. This is really cool. You can see the gold flecks of mica in there.
I like this.
Yeah, this is a really cool stone. We were out of this for a while. And this is a natural stone, unlike gold stone. Some rose quartz. Nice quality rose quartz, if you're looking for some rose quartz. Yep, this is natural.
Is this sunstone?
No, we didn't get sunstone. Calcite. Orange calcite. Another popular stone, great stone for the fall.
Orange is the fashion color this season.
It's a pretty stone. Okay. All right, my mind just blanked.
This isn't the appetite? That's the
No,
kyanite?
I didn't order kyanite. That's appetite. All right, I'm befuddled here. I am totally befuddled. Yeah, Amazonite. Ugh. Oh, this is some sweet quality Amazonite. Yeah, this is about the best Amazonite there is. If you're looking for Amazonite. Beautiful, beautiful. What color would you call that? Blue-green? Amazonite color. Well, usually Amazonite is a lot greener. This is
almost nothing.
Yeah, this is kick butt Amazonite. We're gonna call it kick butt Amazonite.
We got some blue lace here.
Yeah, some more blue lace agate. We were out of it. And kunzite is the last one.
Not last, there's one
There's
more
one
thing.
more.
Yeah, we got selenite. We were
Selenite.
getting short on selenite.
You can see this kunzite is translucent. Take a look at that. It's not opaque on the surface. You can see into the stone.
That's one of my favorites.
That's really good kunzite there. You see that? You can see into it. It's really good quality kunzite.
Not opaque. There is a fluorescence in it that I just love. See the fluorescence.
That's hard to see. Take our word for it. And last but not least, selenite. Tetracholine-C, which is the cat's eye effect in it. Very pretty, very popular stone. Is that it?
That's the end, but it's
That's it.
filling in where we were thinning out.
Yep. So go to babsbeads.com and check out our selection of round gemstone beads.
Happy October. Remember to get your mammograms.
Okay, I didn't see that coming. And my watch says you can get a mammogram at a hospital specialty clinic.
Or gynecologist can discuss breast cancer screening with you and help you set up an appointment.
What can
This is from healthline.com.
What can I say? Siri knows it all. Not as smart as AI though. Yep, subscribe. Click up there in the round spot and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And you all have a great day.